Hey everybody, and welcome to another Tomodachi video. It is 7:03 p.m. July 24, 2015. This is the game that's been released for the Nintendo 3DS and Nintendo 2DS. You can use it on a 3DS XL or 2DS XL, whatever you want. So let's get started. Also, I added a lot of Mii's. Just saying. And so you probably might hate some of them. So you might like. First, there's a chat segment in progress. Yeah, that's my Mii, and that's me, and there's...
Where should we go?
Oh, they're in progress right now.
Let's go shopping for funny hats.
Yeah, he's into Spacey right now.
Let's go to the beach. There's sand there, and water. Other fun things too.
Yeah, there is. That is, I think,
How about the
Joe.
amusement park?
That is Trevor. And then there's Derek.
I wish I was smarter, or more smart, or whatever. What should I do?
You're already smart enough already.
Add more pickles to your diet.
But you're already smarter.
Hey, you're smart enough already.
Hey, listen to him.
I hear reading is good for that.
Okay. Okay, this is pretty boring. I don't want to see it. Also, I already checked the Mii news, but I haven't showed the video yet, but I'll show you Mii news anyways. This is Bowser who's on. Yep. Hannah turned 18. She's now an adult. But look at this crazy thing. Look.
La 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 la. La 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 la.
This is one thing I like when I saw the Mii news first. The candles nearly just blew out all the way. And Hannah just moved in like one episode ago.
Thanks.
So that's not that much. She doesn't really have any friends. Okay.
You can be the
Olsen?
center of attention today, Hannah.
Not really that much.
Can I have some cake, Hannah?
I just want to eat something. She's probably really hungry. Yep. There's Bowser having the news. So yeah, Hannah turned 18 today. Happy birthday, Hannah. Okay, let's check on some Mii's now. Where's Hannah? She's here somewhere. Yeah, I changed the apartments a little bit. Oh, there. Let's go over. She's working on her part-time job right now. Not right now. She's gonna have some few words to say.
What's up?
Okay.
It's my birthday. Another year older. Another year wiser.
Your first day of being an adult. That is pretty cool. Okay, let's check on some Mii's. Abby Jr. has a problem. Derek has a problem. Shaq has a problem. Jack has a problem. No one else has. I'm in my house right now. Abby's not. Abby's at Jasmine's apartment for some reason. She's like hanging around with people. Let's check on Derek first. He's kind of bored a little bit. I haven't been with him the whole time.
How's it going?
Oh, pretty good. What do you want?
I need to sneeze, but it won't come out.
Oh, these things again. I'll help you. This is gonna take a little long. Wait, I'm gonna sneeze you. That's pretty weird. This is not really working.
Darn, I lost it.
Ah, dang it. So close. It just doesn't work.
That was weird. It didn't really do it for me.
Ah, whatever. Derek's hanging out with Bowser apartment. Since when did Derek be friends with Bowser? That's weird. Shaq's just doing yoga right now. see where everyone else is. I see a relationship thing. Let's check on Michael. Looks like he has a friend deal thing. Want to have a relationship with somebody, or you just have a relationship with Gracie?
I'd like to introduce Joe to somebody.
Oh, just someone.
How about Abdallah?
Abdallah sounds great.
What should we talk about to help them get along?
Money I don't really like that much. Love, it's very annoying. Hobbies is, yeah, actually, I'll go small talk.
Okay, I'll invite them both over.
I haven't done this like 3 times. I only done it like 3 times. All the other times I did it like 6 times. I'll probably do this like 3 more times after. It's probably not gonna work. They're gonna be friends. I already knew it. Once they laugh, you already know they're gonna be friends. But if they do have a question mark over their heads, I definitely know it's definitely not gonna work. Because it goes 2 different ways. So
They
yeah.
became friends. It's all thanks to you.
No, thank you, because you helped them. Yay.
Here, I want you to have this.
What is it? Oh, basset. I already have so many bassets. I have like 97. But seriously, I have 97. I don't really should do anything else. Then there's been... Oh, someone's at the beach. Let's see who's at the beach. Oh, so is Megan. She's just chilling. You know what? Let's check the pawn shop.
Welcome.
That's where you'll sell your stuff. Shell necklace is only $3. Thank you. Jasmine's working in there. Bye, Jasmine. Let's check the import wear shop. I haven't seen that in a while.
Welcome.
Oh, the blockhead thing again. Yeah, whoa. Aloha. Holy moly. Man, that's very... What? That is so expensive. More expensive than anything else. Like, that's 18, that's 15. That's 19, 40, 80, 29, 90, 98, 100, 29, 90. Well, seriously, that's $560. That's a lot of money. I'm not buying any of that. Let's go check the interior shop. It's really expensive. Ice, dressing, fluffy, and girls. Nothing new. Oh, wow, prehistoric. It's too much money, though. Oh, my golem looks so cool. No wonder his room is so expensive. It's a robber's dream come true. Man, I gotta save up, like, way much money. Because I'm not buying that. If I have, like, 20, when I get to 20, and I buy that, and I'm just broke then. So, yeah, I'm not getting that. Only one I want to. Yeah, this... Let's see. I don't really like the rain ones. They pretty suck. Marceline actually loved it for some reason. I have no idea. I already have 2 yellow. I don't really need it. I don't like the Wild West. A room tin place to hang your 10-gallon hat. Yeehaw! That's funny. Let's see. I want to see if there's anything else that I don't really like. You know what? It's time to get it's time to get a country one. It's so darn cozy in here. Can you feel that panty country warmth? Yeah, it's like a country accent or something. Whatever you want to call it. Okay, let's see. I don't think there's much else to do. This probably the longest video I've really done so far. It's like about 9 minutes and 52 seconds. Yeah, exactly. Let's check on Samus. I just got her from a QR code from this one island. I forgot the name of it.
I'm Samus. I enjoy doing my own thing most of the time.
Okay.
I need to eat something. Anything.
Well, here's some bacon. There's the only one left. I had so much bacon before, and I don't really need it. And she left it. Good.
Here, I want you to have this.
Have what? A travel ticket. Yay. Well, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and make sure for more Tomodachi Life videos. I hope we can have more longer videos sometime. Well, this is probably going to be my third or last video today. I'll probably do one later tonight, and another one at 8 p.m. Well, that's it for this video, and see you guys next time for more videos. Okay, time to face the wall. Oh my